Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a freelancer, content creator, or business owner trying to grow online, email marketing is still one of the most powerful tools you can use. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with email marketing step by step. Even if you are a complete beginner, here's what will here's what we will cover. What is email marketing? Why it works so well? The tools you need, how to build your email list, how to send your first email campaign, pro tips to grow fast. Email marketing means sending emails to your audience to build relationships, sell products, or share value. It's it could be newsletters, updates, or offers sent to people who have joined your list. Best part, you own your list. Unlike social media, no algorithm can hide your message. Here's why email marketing is still key. Direct contact with your audience. High conversions rates than most platforms. It's cost effective, especially for beginners, and it helps you build trust and loyalty long term. You don't need to anything fancy to get started. Here's three great email marketing platforms for beginners. First of all, MailChimp. It's an email marketing company, free for up to 500 contacts. Then Bravo, formerly Sendable, great automation. Then ConvertKit, great for creators, easy to use. All of them let you create sign-up forms, send campaigns, and track performance. Let's talk about building your list the right way. Create a freebie or lead magnet. Offer something valuable in exchange for emails like a checklist, discount, ebook or free course. Add sign up forms everywhere. Use your email tool to make sign up forms and put them on your website, in your YouTube description, on social media bios, inside blogs posts, and or landing pages. Use double opt in and always include unsubscribe link. That's not just best practice, it's the law, like GDPR and CAN spam. Once you have a few subscribers, it's time to send your first campaign. Choose a goal. Are you welcoming new subscribers, promoting a product, sharing new content? Write your email. Keep it simple, catchy subject line, personal greeting, clear message, one main call to action or CTA. Hit send. Most tools let you preview, test, and schedule your email. Start small, track your open rates and click rates and just over time. Here are a few bonus tips to grow faster and get better results. Use welcome sequences to onboard new subscribers. Send regularly, like once a week. Segment your audience for better targeting. Always provide value first, pitch second. Now in MailChimp, click sign up, then select email marketing, then select contact like 500, then buy now. Enter your business email, username, password, and check the box and click sign up. And that's it. Email marketing doesn't have to be complicated. Just start simple, be consistent, and focus on helping your audience. Now, for this tutorial, I will going to use embroidery mail. Write username like that. Then create a strong password and click sign up. Now follow the on-screen instructions, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.